MMTs, international traders, everyone alike around the world. This is called the Nasdaq 100. IUXX equals Nasdaq 100 weekly chart. So we've defined that. We're going to define the topping pattern right here. And basically, when you take a look, this is a Nasdaq 100. It has Apple, Google, Amazon, all the big flying high beta stocks is in this index here now. It's very diversified in different sectors that's also included. And it's 100 of the top stocks that are in the Nasdaq comp, the broader comp itself. So we know where it comes from. We know who the players are. We know the names because we trade them every day. And what we're going to look at is 2011. It is January 1, 2011. Happy New Year's. This is a weekly movement. And we're going to go right back over here to the weekly breakout that occurred way back over here. This is on 9/13. Okay, and this was where we started to move higher on 9/20, and we started to consolidate and kept closing above half of the weekly bar on 9/20, which was 1992.14. This is where the broader move started. But then after a double week consolidation, this is all right here right now. So let's move on over here to this one. That's 10/4/2010. And basically half bar was 1997, but then boy did we break out. We moved right here to where the breakout occurred on this date, 10/11, and that's 2052 half bar. That was where we closed above. That was 100.44 closing above the previous bar. That's where the big move started, and then we had some test. We tested the half bar, but then we closed above it, and then we stayed above the key highs here, and we got to that nice little reversal top right up here. This is what you're going to be looking for on January 3rd, MMTs. And what you're going to be looking for is something like this. You're going to be looking where they slide half of the bar at the top when that time occurs. It would look like this, and then the following week it would go down. And basically, that's going to confirm a top. This is what you're looking for. Once again, you would slide the number. This is 21.55. So when I got a closing price over here, half of that bar was 21.61. I finally broke it down here. This was at reversal. You're looking for a reversal bar like this on a weekly level. Now, let's get back over to the current top, MMTs. And you can see that we are making these highs right now on a weekly level. And what I want you to be aware of is the last 4-week pattern. This is a very 3-week narrow range. It's a November move coming off that bottom, and there are different time factors in that whole month of December of 2010. Now that's all gone, and we're starting January 3rd. So what we're looking for is a reversal bar that would start. We have a reversal right here. The problem is it was a holiday week. Now either the bulls are going to come in and either want to break these last highs here. We'll let the Nasdaq 100. That means Google would have to break higher. What's going to be part of the leader would be Apple, Amazon, and those same internet stocks that performed extremely well in 2010. They made the 2010 move. It's over. These indexes have come huge off of the 2009 lows, MMTs. So when we do find a reversal, put options on the Nasdaq 100 pay a lot of money. So what we're going to be looking for on January 3rd is that hook descending. We're looking for bars like this on a weekly, okay, taking out the previous week with negative down volume. That means that everything in the brain here for you, as we pull it up some more, all of this half bar column that's designed for you equal the ratio and the trend eventually. It's a market maker platform. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to the deltas right now, and I'm going to give you what a 1 delta is, 9.60 for Monday. So basically we close on the Nasdaq 100. That's this right here, 2217, 2217.86. So if we go up 1 delta resistance would be 2233. 2 deltas is going to be 2249. 3 deltas for Monday is 2264 on the upper end. 4 deltas at 2280. 5 deltas at 2296 MMTs. That's going to be your upper end of resistance levels in the price action, and it's very important that you understand that when we do break higher, we're going to be looking for that delta expansion in your brain. Naturally, it's going to change every day in every delta. So if we have delta expansion, that's going to equal more price volatility action within your brain, your MMT platform. It's 100% accurate. So when they slide the bid, let's take a look at this half bar right here. What week is this? So we already know what week this is. Let's go back over here. This looks like the week of 12/20 at 22.22. Wow, 22.61, and we closed at 22. So if this was to stay as resistance, which we don't know, closing half bar below 18.31, below that previous high over here, that's bearish for that reversal. That's why it's weakening here, and it's a 3-week top. With the big buyers and sellers coming in, if we see a reversal bar down, we're going to take a look at the downside support levels just as well. So MMTs, a delta down is 22.02, 2 deltas down is 21.86, 3 deltas 21.70, 4 deltas at 21.55, and 5 deltas at 21.39. Those are the numbers below the market at the support levels, where these price actions are going to be made with the public transaction model. And what that means is the public is everyone outside of a market maker. That's what you are. Those are the people on the floor. They control the market. Floor specialists on the NYSE. They control buyer and a seller all day on everything. So basically what happens in the middle is that your platform is priced everyone in the middle. Doesn't matter. And they always make decisions at same points and breakouts like this. They all